DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless Cut-Off In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 10,777 ratings and 1910 reviews. 97% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 1% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said ran through rock quarry plant and still works. At DEWALT are tried and proven to be the best in my toolbox. I will never buy anything else. This grinder has since February of this year already had a hard life. Then last Friday it got ran through my entire rock quarry plant, which consisted of getting hit with rock and submerged underwater and pushed out by a large auger and found in a rock pile before it was shipped out to be used in concrete. Let it sit for a few days and it still works. And that's the battery that was on it when it happened. All still work. Impressive! The trigger is a little sticky for turning it on, but still works. Thanks to DEWALT for making a great product. Hashtag DEWALT Grinder, hashtag DEWALT Brushless, hashtag DEWALT 20V, hashtag Tough Tools, hashtag Plant Mechanic. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Didn't come with the blade change wrench. Seems to bog down more than the cheapest Ryobi plug-in you can get, but way more convenient. Runtime is long, but again, you may spend the time waiting for it to get to speed again, or tasks taking longer as the tool is running slower. I see this being the biggest problem when grinding masonry. I guess I'd say if you're grinding things you probably wanted a corded model. I bought the tool only, cheapest I could find on Amazon item, and I'm not sure if it was or wasn't supposed to be this way, but the wrench you used to change out blades was not included. What was included, however, was a giant Allen wrench that does not appear to be related to this tool. Not sure what's going there, but I'll have to share blade change tools between my grinders since I didn't get one with this. That's it.